thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Wayingite wangoyaka, yeah. Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right.
Morris, the crochet master.
Yes, hello, my name is Morris, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Yes, today we are just going to be, someone just going to be plating me, and she's my best student so far, the one I have, and she's going to be plating my hair. I'm trying to grow my hair, so I always love to do these protective hairstyles. So as you're going to be seeing, we are going to be doing the natural tangle, very simple. So I would like you to see how she's doing the parting and the way she's starting it from down. And these are the things that I've been trying to teach you guys on how to start the natural tangles. Like most of the times we should always start it this way so that we can always lock it after, like maybe when it is a bit when it is with growth. So this is the best way of starting the natural tangle. Yes, she's one of my best students so far, and I remember I've been telling you guys, like most of the videos that I've been uploading, I've been telling you like you should always try to be as soft as possible when it comes to this kinky, because we all know that kinky can always behave in a bad way, that it might break your hair if you plait it badly and professional. So first, what you always need to know is to the volume of the hair extension that you're going to use, and then the lines that you're making, or like the hair you're holding, should be equivalent to the hair extension that you're going to be using. Those are the things that I have been trying to to teach you most of the time. So something else I wanted to say, like most people, those ones who always love to park like maybe in front, yes, it is always fine, it can be fine to park in front, but mostly what you should always know that the parking in front, it means you have to reduce on the hair extension, because now when you're parking in front, it means you're holding a little hair. So you cannot hold little hair yet you're going to add on a bigger extension. So those are the things that you need to maintain while doing this natural tangle. So let's try to do it like we add the extension that we know is equivalent to the hair that we are like the hair that we have parted. So this is how we are going to manage to have this natural tangle. Why I like about this hair is that it is very soft, and it is very easy for me to wash. Yes, anytime I feel like it, I can wash it, and it dries as soon as possible. So that's why most of the time I choose to do this kind of a hairstyle, the natural tangle. So those ones who would like to do it, don't think it's only for men. Yes, you can also do it. Yes, very nice. And I think after like 2 months, I can always lock it, and the more it grows, the more it looks nice and start looking like dreadlocks. So this is how it looks.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Wayingite wangoyaka, yeah. Morris, the crochet master, did a Mac on you. Yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chitayo. Engari jonjo mye, okwana nembaka. You look so good. Nobody do it like Morris. Yeah. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris, your crochet master, Morris, your crochet master, crochet master, no, touch of a crochet master, he's so good, yeah, yeah. No, Morris got the touch of a crochet master, no, he got the touch of a crochet master, yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master, Morris, your crochet master, Morris, your crochet master, touch of a crochet master.
Alright, so when they are done, we just add this ant each. This is very nice for the scalp. It helps a lot, and it's what I always use. It is for the MDC hair products, so we always add it there so that we prevent the dandruff, and even it is 2-in-1. It can even boost the hair. That is the good thing about this oil. So I just add it on, and you can see how the hair is really it is not too spaced and not too packed, so it is very easy for me to maintain, and I'm very comfortable with it. You can see how it looks. So we don't need to overpack the hair. So yes, we don't need to overpack it, because if you just want to feel that comfort, you just have to do it this soft. So this is how my hair looks. I love it, and I hope you have seen what my student can do. So yes, those of us who would like to join us, just come at Hair by Clippers. Yes, and you can also learn how to do this kind of hairstyle. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and I do it my way. I always tell you that I'm always at Hair by Clippers, so you can always come and we do this together. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
The crochet master, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris, your crochet master, Morris, your crochet master.